Hello, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Today I am Muhammad Naim bin Ahmad and
Ahmad Afif Shafiek
will show you how to assemble this PC, this CPU. So, come here. Can you man?
Come here.
Okay. After we have separated these several components,
That is a very component of
CPU,
yes.
then we will insert it back. Okay. Firstly, this
This is power supply.
right?
The power supply the power. This is easy. Power supply the power. It's easy. Okay, first we need to put the CPU into the socket.
The screwdriver.
Need to screw the screw.
Salah.
What screw?
This screw.
This screw. What screw? This screw.
Whatever.
It's fine. As long as it is screwed, then it's fine. Okay, screw this. Screw.
Very screw. Next. Oh, yeah. Tunggu man.
Asal hantar juga.
Last screw.
Hantar video different. Tapi dia dah tahu lah kita dah buang video ni.
Alright. Okay, I have done insert this. What we call power supply. Okay, next Afif, the motherboard. Afif will show you how to. Oh, alright. Afif will show you how to insert the motherboard.
Insert this motherboard. You need to put the motherboard first. Put the motherboard into the place. Okay. To the right place, right time, right place.
Alright, screw this.
Okay, and then we need to attach with the screws. The screw.
Is that the right screw? No.
Where's the right screw?
Here.
This is the right screw.
Yes.
See. This is the right screw. Okay. Put the screw first. You need to be careful. You have to be careful because if you not put the screw in the right place, the CPU will not going to work. If you put the screw right here, it's not going to work. You need to put the screw here. Here, remember here. This is where you screw this.
So hard. You done?
Terus dia ketat lah.
Dah. 3. Okay.
Okay, what? Okay, you need to keep screwing. you need to fasten the screw. If the screw is not fastened now, the motherboard will probably will fly away from this view. And this view is not going to work. Of course, it will be damaged because the motherboard is not there. You see, motherboard. That's why we call the motherboard because it's the mother of this view. You know, the mother of this view. Because if you have no mother, you are not going. You will not be exist in the world. No mother. Yeah, that's why we call this motherboard. That's why lah.
Afif.
Apa?
Biar je.
Sabar, kau ingat senang lah screw. Screw need to be carefully done, you know. See? This screw is screwing me. This screw is screwing me. I screw this. Seriously. This is easy job to do. The hardest part of doing the CPU assembling is the screwing part. The putting part all the part in its place is easy. The screwing part is very hard to do.
Taruh dulu.
Are you done?
Wait. Almost there.
Dah. Alright, dah.
What the hell?
No.
Okay.
Alright. Next step is we put this serial port, right?
This is serial cable. Serial port. Serial port. Serial port in Malay adalah port bersiri. Serial port berbanyak siri. Setiap ribut dia sama siri.
Next.
Okay, the serial port need this picture. Okay, and then
Next.
we need to put the cable into the
Network.
socket.
Okay, next is
Afif.
we must put this network card. We call it network
Network
card.
card. Okay.
I repeat, network card.
Network card is used to connect the CPU to the network, to the internet, or whether it's internet or local area network, as long as. Gitu.
Afif kentut.
Dengar, masih dalam video.
Yang kecil.
Oh, sorry.
Pause.
Alright. The next step is Afif. What is this? After we have put this
Processor.
After we put the network card, we need to put the processor into the motherboard. So we need to determine the corak, the pattern, and then we match with the socket. Okay, like this, and then put it right there. Okay, just simple. It's done. It's fine.
Alright, next.
Okay, next we need to put the heat synchronizer. This is what called heat synchronizer. There's a fan here to maintain the temperature. Okay, put this.
Alright, I put this. Alright, the what?
This is the heat synchronizer.
For what?
To maintain the temperature of the CPU.
Alright.
So if the CPU is too hot, it will be have a fever. It seems like human. So okay, put to the motherboard. Okay, nice. Okay, then it's done.
Alright, next is the CD.
Next one is CD. Not ROM, drive.
CD drive.
Okay, this is CD, DVD drive. This is actually a DVD drive. Okay, put.
See, hey cameraman.
What screw? What screw?
The screw that you hold.
Ni, besar kecil. The big or small one? Small one Small one.
Where's the hole?
Press the hole apa? Kau terbalik lah, aduh. It's upside down, see. The DVD drive is same as his brain, upside down.
Wah, you so. Orang ajar.
Okay, then we.
Aku tak bakal lah.
And then we screw.
Give back
Okay.
my cigarettes.
Okay.
Cigarettes.
Kau kalau bahasa Inggeris tu tak apa betul, jangan masuk video. Okay, and then.
The next. This.
Okay.
Screw.
What the?
You. Silam.
Okay, next is Okay, after we done
Need to put
after
this
we done we will have to put the floppy disk drive.
okay.
Floppy.
Floppy disk drive.
Floppy? Okay, this is DVD. Okay, and then we put the
Floppy disk drive.
floppy disk drive. Floppy disk
drive.
drive.
Okay, what's the function of this?
This is to read floppy disk diskette. Okay,
Okay, Amirul.
okay. Eh,
Wait. Cannot be.
cannot be sepak.
Cakap ni. Here. This should be the second one. Right.
If you screwdriver something, you need to be very careful. Be very cool. You need to be very cool. See very cool lah. Very cool. Make sure you don't break anything. You don't break anything.
Very what?
Very cool. Very calm. Tenang. Relax.
Right. Next, this.
Okay, next one we need to insert the hard disk drive. This is where is your file is stored, such as movies, games.
No.
Pawns.
Don't say that.
Wait. Ini kat mana ni?
Yes. Tengok. Back. Oh, yeah. Dah.
What the bukan kat situ bodoh di bawah ni. Betul. Drive. Ini mesti dah habis drive. Aku rasa hari ni nak buat kali pasang bodoh. Kamera mana ni?
Memang lah.
Mana tak fungsi lah. Yang mana tak fungsi. Kabel ID, kabel we attach to the here. Okay. And then we connect it here. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, done. Easy peasy.
RAM.
Okay, after you put out that,
we should insert is RAM. RAM stands for random access memory.
put RAM. We put the RAM. RAM is not the same as RAM lah RAM. You know RAM lah RAM, but it's RAM. RAM lah RAM is a signal. RAM is a part of a CPU component. Okay. So you need to determine.
Aku guna ni.
Dia tak boleh masuk dulu. Benda ni kacau dulu.
Pause dia.
It's fine.
Cocok until it ke dalam.
Okay. Don't use a lot more energy. No, you don't have to use a lot of energy.
Try yang masuk.
It's easy.
Lagi gitu lagi.
Take it easy. Everything's gonna be fine. Okay.
Alright. And
So everything's done. After everything's done,
okay, then see
this is the whole complete CPU. Yes. Complete CPU.
Power supply.
Okay. Oh, before that, before everything is going to work to be function normally, we need to attach everything. We need to connect everything with the power supply, so that they have the energy to to do the work. So attach this first. This belongs here.
Yes.
Okay, belong here. Hey, stupid. What cable is this? This is not.
Alright, next is here.
Okay.
And
Yeah,
then
okay, then it's here. Yeah lah. Where else you want to cucuk? You want to put?
alright. Then done.
Put. Okay, after everything is done, we need to
Close.
make sure no one is looking inside the CPU to prevent a rat or mosquito, fly go inside here and hey wait.
Alright, then.
Okay. To interrupt the system. What the?
Masuk lubang cu.
Put the lubang. Okay.
Tolak.
Wait, don't do that at home. Please don't try this at home. It's very rude. If you do this to another one or other person PC, you'll be smacked straight out of your head. Wait. Where do I put this? Okay. Okay. Wait.
This space. Oh yeah, so hard.
Wait. This. No. A little bit to the left. To the left. Okay. Okay. Very carefully. Very easy. Okay. Kenapa ketat? Okay, don't have to be ketat. It is going to work anyway. Whether it's ketat fast or not, it's going to work. Don't worry. It's not a big deal. It's fine. Okay. Second screw.
Oh my god.
Done.
Okay.
And you put the plug.
Yes.
The monitor plug and then the spew plug.
Okay. Then
Let's see whether it's going to work or not. Where's the on button? Oh. Where's the on button? Okay, here.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yes, it works!
No.
Yes!
Until welcome.
Yes! Until welcome. Wait. Until welcome.
Welcome. Terus ambil gambar kita dulu. Dia
I start with normally. Until welcome, This is I already seen this many time before. Easy. Bang gini boleh tak tahu bersama. Bodoh.
Welcome tu ambil gambar kita.
Boleh duduk boleh? Boleh. Nah, duduk Okay. No welcome. Where's the welcome? I am very sorry because this computer has no welcome. No welcome. So
Thanks for
watching. I hope you can do this free at home. When you have nothing to do, you can take your PC, break up your PC, and then you put assemble inside. It's very easy job to do.
Alright, thank
But you
you
need to be very careful if you're not when you get electric shock.
Alright, thank you very much. And I'm Muhd
And Ahmad Afif.
So, kembali ke si pentas.
Jumpa pada waktu yang sama. TV3.